Okay, what I'm going to show you now how to pull your Mark IV apart and then rebuild it. The tools you need are a 1-point Phillips head and a 3-point Phillips head and a small shifter. Something flat is handy when you're reassembling it. Here we go. First of all, undo the small nut and bolt. Undo the large one. Take out the blade. There's two C-clips in the point of the smaller of the two screwdrivers to remove both of them. Now you can see all the different components that are in the tool. Now, once you've cleaned it out, got some more parts from us, then to reassemble it, it's easy. First of all, take the small pin, place it through the rocker arm, small washer, C-clip, something flat to push it into place. Take the spring. Be aware that the spring is wider at one end than the other. Inside you've got two prongs. Place the wider part over the two prongs like so. On the frame here you've got a bush, make sure it hasn't fallen out, and you've got a ridge, and the spring is going to sit in this position. Simply line it up into the position I showed you, place it in, slide the large pin through, washer and C-clip, and lock that into place. Then it's simply a matter of taking the new blade and reassembling it. It's quick, it's easy, and by being able to pull the tool apart and rebuild it, it's the last second tear you'll ever buy. Parts are readily available from us. Contact us for more details. But as you can see, I've finished the rebuild and it's good to go.